We all dream of traveling the world's prettiest and costliest countries. But my wallet said no, so I traveled with Google Earth instead. Let me take you on this virtual luxury trip. Behold Geysir, Iceland's geothermal fireworks. We're over Europe's largest glacier. Icy caves, crevasses, and high-end guided tours. The Blue Lagoon, milky blue waters and spa days that feel deliciously expensive. Silica masks and champagne. Spa treatments that practically whispers plurge. Diamond Beach at golden hour. Icy gems on volcanic black sand. Back in the city, Nordic minimalism meets upscale comfort in Reykjavik's top hotels. Gullfoss, thunderous falls, rainbow mist, and utterly postcard-perfect vistas. Japan, where neon nights meet timeless tradition. Shibuya Crossing, a neon-packed human runway. Exclusive ryokans under sakura. Luxury steeped in centuries of charm. Kaiseki, artful, seasonal, and very, very pricey. Ginza, designer storefronts and serious spending. Mount Fuji views from hot spring resorts. Postcard perfection. Shinkansen first class. Plush seats, top-tier service, and whizzing countryside views. This is Monaco. Tiny, dazzling, and incredibly expensive. Here's the Monte Carlo Casino, where Belle Epoque glamour meets high stakes. Inside, it's all chandeliers, velvet, and fortunes won or lost. On deck, it's champagne service and coastal views fit for royalty. The Grand Prix winds through the city, with hotels and yachts as spectators. In Monaco, watches and jewels practically qualify as casual accessories. Golden hour turns the harbor into pure cinematic gold. Monaco at its finest. Maybe one day I'll see these places in real life. For now, thanks to Google Earth, my travel dreams are alive. Which country would you visit first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and travel with me virtually every week.